This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling mobile data and confirming battery is adequate. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Portable Hotspot or Hotspot and Tethering. You want to verify the Hotspot SSID and security type, usually WPA2, because the QR encodes these values and a mismatch breaks the connection. Make sure your hotspot is active. If the toggle is off, turn it on now. This prepares everything you need for the QR generation and scanning steps that follow. Now generate the QR. In Hotspot settings, tap Show QR code. Redmi 9 builds the network payload automatically. Then open the camera app or the built-in system scanner. If you see a permissions prompt, allow the camera. Position your device so the QR fills the viewfinder without glare, and hold steady. The phone reads the encoded SSID, security, and password. When the scanner recognizes it, you'll get a Wi-Fi connection prompt. Tap Connect so your device joins the hotspot immediately. After tapping Connect, confirm the phone shows the hotspot SSID and test internet by loading a simple web page. This ensures DNS and routing work. If the QR scan fails, manually type the SSID and password. Pay attention to uppercase, symbols, and spaces because QR encoding is exact. If problems persist, restart the hotspot, close and reopen the camera, or toggle airplane mode briefly. Regenerating the QR and hotspot settings fixes issues caused by cached or changed passwords. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.